Picture this. You're sitting at home, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly you realize people out there are making money online in ways you never even imagined. Some are surviving with quick hacks. Some are building real businesses. Others are gambling with risk, and a few are scaling into wealth creation. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey. Not just a list, but a story. A story of 25 ways to make money online categorized into 4 levels: survive, build, gamble, and scale. Think of it like a video game. You start at level 1, and if you play smart, you can unlock level 4, where wealth creation happens. So buckle up, because this isn't just information, it's a roadmap. Level 1. Survive. Easy wins. Let's start at the ground floor. Imagine you've just lost your job, or you need extra cash to pay bills. You don't have months to build a brand. You need money now. That's level 1, survival mode. Here's the story. Ria, a college student, needed quick cash. She jumped on Fiverr, offering to proofread essays. Within a week, she made her first $50. Not life-changing, but enough to buy groceries. That's the essence of level 1. It's about quick wins. Doing freelance gigs on Fiverr or Upwork, taking online surveys or microtasks, selling old items on OLX or eBay, testing websites for usability, becoming a virtual assistant, tutoring online, dropping affiliate links on Instagram stories. These are survival tactics. They won't make you rich, but they'll keep you afloat. Think of them as the stepping stones to something bigger. Level 2. Build. Real businesses. Now, imagine you've stabilized. Bills are paid, survival is handled. What's next? You build. This is where you stop trading time for pennies and start creating something sustainable. Take Arjun, for example. He loved fitness. Instead of just training people offline, he started online coaching. Within 6 months, he had paying clients from 3 countries. That's the power of building online. Here are the ways you can build. Drop shipping with Shopify. Print-on-demand t-shirts and mugs. Blogging with ads and affiliate links. YouTube monetization. Online coaching or consulting. Selling digital products like courses or templates. Managing social media for brands. Podcasting with sponsorships. These are businesses. They require effort, branding, and consistency. But once they're set up, they can generate steady income. This is where you start to feel like an entrepreneur, not just a hustler. Level 3. Gamble. High risk. Now, let's talk about the wild side, the casino of the internet. This is level 3. Gambling. High risk, high reward. Picture Dev, who put his savings into crypto trading. 1 month, he doubled his money. The next month, he lost half. That's the gamble. Here are the risky plays: stock trading and options, crypto trading and NFTs, online poker tournaments, domain flipping, arbitrage, buying cheap online, reselling higher. These can make you rich overnight or wipe you out. If you play here, play smart. Never risk more than you can afford to lose, because level 3 is not about stability. It's about adrenaline. Level 4. Scale. Wealth creation. And finally, the holy grail, level 4, scaling. This is where you stop thinking small and start building empires. Think of Priya, who built a SaaS product for small businesses. She started with 10 clients. Within 2 years, she had 1,000 paying subscribers. That's wealth creation. Here's how you scale. Build a SaaS product. Create a paid membership community. Launch a marketplace platform. Invest in online real estate, buying profitable websites. Automate and outsource to turn small businesses into scalable systems. This is where generational wealth is made. It's not about survival, not about hustling, not even about gambling. It's about vision, patience, and scale. So here's the story. Making money online is like climbing a ladder. At level 1, you survive. At level 2, you build. At level 3, you gamble. At level 4, you scale. The internet is the biggest marketplace in history. And the only question is, which level are you ready to play at? Because whether it's survival hacks, building businesses, gambling with risk, or scaling into wealth, the opportunities are endless. And remember, the journey isn't about how fast you climb. It's about climbing with purpose. So, start today, pick your level, and let the online world become your playground.
Want to become a better trader? Smash that like button, drop your biggest takeaway in the comments, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next winning lesson. See you in the next one.